On today's episode, we're gonna go from this kind of dingy, dark, unsafe lighting in my workshop to this. Hey, welcome back. It's Mike from Meyer Woodworking. We finally got the walls completed, mudded, painted, and the ceiling. It's not the greatest. I'm not a professional drywaller, but I want to get into woodworking. So, next we have on our agenda is lighting. So, these are the Barrina lights that we took. This is the Barrina T8 LED light, 4 foot, 40 watt efficiency, 5,000 Kelvin in the temp. It also comes with the electrical to plug into a regular electric and into the light so you can turn off. Or you may go ahead and direct wire it with the 3-prong wires. I was thinking about doing that, but the only switch I have for the garage is the main switch, so I'd be turning the 2-car garage lights on all the time I turn these on, and if somebody turns them off while I'm in here working, I decided not to go that route. Also, it comes with the longer connections in between. I think this is about a 3 foot section, so you can connect light to light. I'm going to go that route, and it comes with all the necessities. Here, if I wanted to go right next to each other and plug them end for end, that's what that one's for. They also have some end caps for the end. Oops, I should have took these out of the bag, sorry folks. I want to get it done. So there, so if you don't plug in anything, that's your last one. That little cap right there, right there will take care of it. And the clips to hang them on the wall, takes 2 per light, and these are pretty light. I mean, very light. So that should be no problem. And instead of going direct, I have 2 plugins in the ceiling. I'm going to be using this Woods wireless remote, where it actually plugs in to one of those sockets. I plug in the Barrina, and I have a remote control to turn them off and on. And I bought an extra one because you can only do 5 to 6 in a row. And since I got 10, I'm going to do 5 and 5, and it'll work out perfectly. I also bought these cable sealers so I don't have all that cable hanging around all over the place. I'm going to do my best to go ahead and conceal them and put the wiring in there best as possible, and we can go from there. So what we're going to do now is just hang the lights, and I'm going to put two going across, come up, 2 coming back, 1 coming in, and then goes into the light socket there, and then vice versa in the front end of the garage workshop, and we will connect them in and see how she goes. So here we go. Okay, folks, all 10 hooked up. Let's see. Even though it's daylight, it's still dark. And now, let there be light. Light it up. Woo! Yeah! Well, I don't think I'll have any problem seeing anything in my workshop. Wow, 5,000K, all working. I like it. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below. Too bright, not enough light, round light. I'm liking it. Should I say I'm lighting it? And as you can see here, we are using the cable concealers to tidy up some of the cords. We are also using some coax staples. This is used to tidy up the plug-in cabling and the cabling that's going by the garage metal hangers. Well, as you can see here, the light has really impacted this workshop. It has brightened it up better than I thought it would. And I should have no problem doing any woodworking projects here in this shop. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. Also, you can click and view my previous video or whatever YouTube there has suggested. Thank you.